Hey guys, I have my Dino Ice surprise.
Oh, good job. Okay.
Open it.
Rip it open.
Let's open it.
Oh,
Whoa.
look at that.
Raptor, and hopefully we have the
Lizard
lizard dactyl.
dactyl.
So we have frozen mammoth, ice raptor, and then hopefully
Double lizard
we
dactyl.
have the
Lizard
lizard dactyl. Rip it.
Roll it, Dada.
Okay, smash it.
Super hard.
Oh!
That's alright, I'll pick it up.
Dada's gonna pick it up. Okay, what do you have?
This one first.
4 eggs. Yay! You got the dactyl?
Yeah, look, open this.
What do you say? What's the magic word?
Please. Crystal slime. Well, I like the egg.
Let's smash it. What's inside? Ooh, what's that?
Ooh, that's a cute one.
It looks like an elephant. Elephant.
What's that called? It looks like a fox. It's called Frosty Fox.
Frosty Fox. Frosty. Oh,
Whoa!
that's
I almost
Frosty.
broke it. What's in there?
What is this?
Oh,
Oh, is it a chatter?
Tooth tiger.
is it?
Where is it?
There.
Chatter tooth tiger.
We need to
Next
scratch.
one. Do you want to open all the eggs first?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do all the eggs. And then we'll do the scratch. Whoa!
Oh,
Oh, what's that?
where is it?
Oh, it's a bear.
Oh no, it's a triceratops? Is it a triceratops?
What is it called in here? It's called a tundra
Tundra.
triceratops. Let's find out what's inside. Whoa!
Yeah, you got new ones. What is that?
What is that? That's a cool Rex.
Cool Rex.
Whoa! All right, let's do the scratches. Let's put them here.
They're fighting.
Oh! Who's winning? Is it cool Rex that won?
Yes.
All right, let's use this to scratch.
Mm,
Scratch number 1 first.
okay. Number 1.
Other way, like this. Okay, scratch. What's that, Alan?
Crystal slime.
Eh.
Crystal slime. This one. Let's open this one.
Yes.
Okay.
But
And
this
then we'll
still more.
yeah, we'll scratch it and then open this. Yeah, I'll help you.
Look, we have a lizard dactyl. Ew.
Whoa. You ready? Ah! What's inside? Let's put it here in the plate. What's inside? Wow. Are those body parts of the pterodactyl?
No, lizard dactyl.
Oh, the blizzard dactyl. Dada. Again. Look. What's that?
A leg.
And this one is?
It's a.
The other tail.
I think that's a tail.
Okay, and this one?
It's a stomach.
The body?
Yes.
Ah!
Look, there's another nest. Look.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ew.
5.
Yuck. Let's put it right there. You gotta
Can I
build
get
it.
the body?
You need to.
Alright, what's next? Scratch it first.
Oh man. Sorry.
Number 2. Scratch number 2. Here.
Scratch it, scratch it, scratch it.
Hurry up, hurry. Hurry, yuppie, yuppie.
What's that one?
Dino parts.
This one?
Yes.
Let's open it. Whoa, it's really hard. Oh, let's try the other side.
This way, the other side. Dump it on my hand.
Oh, let's dump it in your hand. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's an arm. What is it? A
What's
leg?
that? I think that's a leg. And then this is a leg as well. And Okay, let's scratch more.
No.
Number 3.
No. Stretchy snow.
Stretchy snow.
Yes, there.
This one.
Let's open that one.
Let's open it. Ready?
One, two, three, go.
Let's take it out. Press it out.
I didn't like it.
Okay, pull it. Pull it out.
Oh,
Oh, are those the wings?
wings. Yes.
Cool. Wow, more stretchy snow.
Oh, man. Let me scratch it.
Whoa.
Let me go there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's get all the stretchy snow out of it so that we can build it.
Yeah. You need to build the eggs.
Oh, look at that.
Can you build the eggs?
I'm just gonna grab more nests.
Alright. So we got the wings and we got the body parts. What's missing?
The head.
The head. Oh, let's scratch it.
I'm out.
Let's scratch it.
I'm out. I just ruined it.
That's alright. It's okay.
Okay, no.
Alright, let's scratch it. Do you want me to scratch it?
Yes.
Okay. Where is it? Oh, here.
The number 4.
Oh, what's that one?
Why does it have a green after
What is it?
frozen slime?
Frozen. Oh, this one.
Let's open that.
Whoa, how cool is that one?
Wow. Ah! You make me wet.
Oh!
You put it on the plate.
No, thank you. It'll be messy. I'll squeeze it out.
Whoop.
Slippery.
Whoa. Squish it. Go.
You can do it.
Oh.
You can do it. See? Whoa. Is that the head?
Yes.
Wow.
Can you squish this,
Please.
please? Squish it. They need to battle.
We need to battle. Are you gonna make them battle?
Mm-hmm.
So the frozen mammoth. And what else?
And the ready? The ice raptor. What is this thing? I think. What is this thing? It looks like an elephant.
Looks like a fox.
What is this?
It's called a frosty fox.
Oh, yes, frosty frog.
Frosty
Look. What is this one?
What's that one? Look at the tail, Alan. There's a fish biting the tail.
There's a fish biting his tail. Why is it biting his tail? Ew. Ew. Yuck. I like the slime. Ew. Yuck. Look, it's so slippery. Why is it not doing up and down? Why is it not doing it?
I think it's the wings that has the... Oops.
Look at. I thought you liked it.
This is
Your favorite? The stretchy snow?
I changed my mind. It's disgusting.
Bicep?
I saw my
Bicep? from the egg. Please, Dada. Let me see the glitter dactyl. It needs to get up then.
The foot keeps coming off.
I think. Why does it keep coming off?
Oh, there it is. It was the other way around. That's why.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Do you like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
But you need to get it up. How is it not moving?
Wow.
You need to move it off his wings and his head. No, 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 no. No, to move it with something.
Okay, you move it with something else. Oh, here. It's a tail. Hold the buddy. Like that. And then go the tail sideways. And his head moves. This one.
Frozen Manif.
And this one.
Ice Raptor.
And
Lizard Dactyl.
Lizardactyl. Wow, you have a complete set now.
It's stuck. We need to battle, okay? Bye guys. Thanks for watching.